Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add custom fonts in Figma step by step. This tutorial is for beginners, and I'll show you the complete process from downloading a font to using it inside your Figma design. So, let's start. To add fonts in Figma, you need to download two things first. The first one is the Figma desktop app. I will put the download link for the Figma app in the description. The second thing you need is the font file that you want to use. You can download fonts from any website you like, such as Google Fonts or other font websites. But in this video, I will use Dayfont because it has a large collection of free fonts. Now, open the Dayfont website and search for any font you want. Once you find a font you like, download it to your computer. After the font is downloaded, open your File Explorer and go to the folder where the font file is saved. Now, right-click on the downloaded file and click on Extract All. Next, choose any folder where you want to extract the files, and click Extract. After that, open the extracted folder. Inside this folder, you will see a file that says TrueType Font File. Double-click on that file. A small window will open. From here, click on Install. Now the font is successfully installed on your computer. So at this point, your font is installed and your Figma app is also ready. Now open the Figma desktop app. Once Figma opens, go to your file and make sure you are in the Design tab at the top. Now, from the toolbar, click on the Text tool, which is shown as the letter T. After selecting the Text tool, click anywhere on the canvas or artboard. Now look at the right side of the screen. You will see the typography section. From here, click on the font name. Now click on All Fonts. Scroll down and you will see an option called Installed by You. Click on Installed by You. Here, you will see all the fonts that are installed on your device. Now select the font you just installed. After selecting the font, you can change the text size, weight, and other text settings from the same panel. Now type some text on the canvas. As you can see, the new font is now applied successfully in your Figma design. So this is how you can download a font, install it on your computer, and use it inside Figma. If you found this video helpful and informative, make sure to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials.